Alright, we're here with another GPU teardown. This is an FX Quadro 1800. Lovely card. Very smaller than I thought it was going to be. So what you're going to need here today, some pliers, some fine tip tweezers, thank you me. Some fine tip tweezers for the fan, possibly. Small Phillips head screwdriver. Big Phillips head screwdriver just in case, set that to the side, and a 5 hex bit screw, or whatever, a 5 size hex nuts bit. Alright, anyway, moving on. We're going to turn it on its side. I will mention that Maya is missing a screw here, so don't worry about that. As for the back of the car, man, I am really messing this up, aren't I? So what we need to do is we need to remove all these screws. All of them are spring loaded, so be aware of that. And your fan connector is right here, so also be aware of that. So first we're going to start by removing these. Wow, holy crap, I don't even know if I can get... Wow. Okay, so these do not want to come out as easily as I thought they would. So be aware of that. You will need a very grippy screwdriver. Oh my gosh. I don't even know if I can reuse these screws. I've never opened this GPU personally, but I think the last person who had it did. Some of these screws are stripped. Man, did they really wrench these in. So I'm just going to start removing them one by one. I would not recommend ramming your screws into your GPU. Thank you. It makes the job of people like me much harder when I have to wrench my screwdriver, my already kind of screwed up screwdriver, into strip screws, which now I will probably have to find replacements for this GPU. So now that all of those are out, it should just lift off, but be aware of that fan cable. As I suspected, so we're going to take that out immediately. I like to use these tweezers I have. There we go. And that came out beautifully. I'm not entirely sure what to do about these. This will be a worry for another day. So now you have the card out, you can see, a little dusty. Thermal paste, not really been replaced in a long time. Not my problem at the moment. So now what we're going to do is, I don't even need it, but you would take your hex 5 bit and just unscrew it, set it to the side, as well as there is a Phillips head screw that actually I need to use my gigantic, overly sized comedic screwdriver to remove. Hello? Huh. Wow. Man. You know, I kind of want to punch whoever did this in the face. It's almost like somebody's trolling me right now. So now that that's out, that I think is going to have to be replaced. I'm not sure. Anyways, that is a fully teared down graphics card. As you can see, we will set that to the side. And in order to get at the heatsink of this GPU, you actually need to take off these screws on the side. So we're going to do that. And hope... God, these aren't wrenched in. They seem alright. Nope, they're a little rough. I don't think this part was probably taken apart by previous owner, but man, some factory worker was having a bad day when they assembled this thing. There we go. Almost stabbed myself in the hand, but whatever. So this should, I believe, just, yep, should just slide out like that. And now you have full access to your heatsink and fan. And that's as tear down as this thing is going to get. So we will set that off to the side. That is a fully tear down FX-1800. Alright, 1,800. I say 1,800. Thank you so much for watching. I will be going on to make more simple teardowns, and I'll see you guys in the next one.